Hi there, welcome to this particular reading test for Key Stage 2 on space tourism. So let's have a read of this particular extract together, the first part of this extract. So how would you get to your space hotel? Well, in the future, there may be hotels in space for all tourists. It wouldn't take long for the space shuttle to get out of Earth's atmosphere. Then, without Earth's gravity, you would become weightless. Arrival at the hotel would be like an aeroplane parking at an airport, but you would leave the cabin floating along the access tube holding onto a cable. What would a space holiday be like? Well, once in the hotel, you could admire the unique views of Earth and space and enjoy the endless entertainment of being weightless. And there would always be the possibility of a spacewalk. In 1969, a man walked on the moon for the first time. After this, many people thought that space travel would be available by the year 2000 and that we would all be space tourists. However, here we are in 2015 and space tourism is still an impossible dream for most of us. It is a reality for only a very few very rich people. Fact is, the Russian Space Agency offers flights on board a spacecraft to the International Space Station, where people can stay. The ISS, or the International Space Station, was built in 1998 and is so big that it can be seen from Earth. Tickets to the ISS are very limited. Another fact for you, the first tourist in space was Dennis Tito in 2001, and his trip actually cost him £14 million. So in the future, it's likely that, and there are plans at the moment whereby big companies, private companies, are going to be able to take tourists into space. One company is Virgin Atlantic, which wants to go into space, and a gentleman called Richard Branson that actually owns the company. He wants to take tourists into space. And secondly, there are a few other companies that are actually working on this at the moment. So this could be the next big holiday destination for people in the future once we get all our technology right. So you've got comprehension questions based on this test. So try your best and we'll follow this up in our next lesson. Thank you.